One question I get is, do I make my own axe handles? And the answer is no. So the price of a double bit axe handle at Lowe's or Home Depot is $12. The equivalent amount of hickory or oak, whatever you want to make your actual axe handle out of, is about $15 a foot, $10 a foot. It's just not economical for me to get a $40, $50 axe head, restore it, polish it, and then spend 2, 3, 4 hours making an axe handle, when most of these are almost a perfect fit, like, look. I do, however, follow Wrangle Star's advice, and I always take the varnish off and before I send them out to service, because the varnish will give you blisters, and it just isn't an overall good texture, and it looks much better sanded. But yeah, for less than $15, I have this pre-shaped, perfectly straight grain axe handle, and I can send these out at a much faster and economical rate. Currently, I'm making a video, but I took this opportunity to show you guys how to mount an axe, right? So aside from this being very closely fit to what you would like, right, you would seat the axe, right? You'll have a gap, right? See, a lot of people take a mallet, start pounding and stuff like that, but actually, taking it off because I'm busy doing something else and polishing, you would get a few light taps, just light, flip it upside down, and to the bottom of the handle, start hammering. Why? Gravity will actually naturally seat that in there much better than anything you can actually hammer from the top. And with the same thought process, to get the handle out, you can actually hit it from the top, and it'll also come out whenever you are fitting, sanding, polishing this section right here from when you're making an axe handle. That's an ugly.